Namaste. So we'll here start with the corrosion science. Generally, it is observed that a few metals like aluminum, chromium, nickel, etc. may be tarnished due to corrosion or even get passivated gradually due to the surface layer oxidation of these metals in oxygen or air environment. Therefore, it is evident that when metals are exposed to air, water or soil, they suffer chemical or electrochemical attack under these conditions. The process of deterioration of such metals is known as corrosion. Some of the corrosion of metals in your daily life, like corrosion of tap, the tap water we are using in our daily life, so that tap may be get corroded depend upon the quality of metal. Now it may be aluminum, it may be steel, it may be iron, so depend upon which the corrosion takes place. Sometimes we observe some of the objects like pipe. The pipe, if made up of metal, generally gets corroded. Even though in the buildings we are using some metals, so this metal gets corroded depend upon the quality of again the metal. So we generally observe such kind of corrosion in our daily life. So this corrosion takes place because there are various gases present in the environment, or water is in contact with the tap in tap water. So in the form of gases or in the form of solution, this particular metal gets surrounded, and whenever it is surrounded it gets corroded. So we can define corrosion can be defined as the destruction or deterioration of metals or alloys by the surrounding environment through chemical or electrochemical changes. Generally we know that these metals are not observed or found in nature as metals, or we can say it is not observed as a pure metals. So these are observed in the form of ores, and this metal ores, whenever undergoes metallurgical extraction process, it is called as metallurgy, and where we can extract the metals. But metals generally corroded, and therefore they are again formed metal ores. Metal tends to go to the stable form of this oxide, sulfide or various forms of metal, and thereby these are the metal ores, whereas metal may be extracted by using metallurgical process. So here I have given some of the idea where we have drag and drop activity which is added in my course. Naturally occurring compounds of metals are thermodynamically stable. So mostly you see whenever the metals are in the form of compound, they are more stable, while the extracted metals from these ores have high energy states. As I have told, metals are not stable, or pure metals are not stable in nature. They tend to form ores. Because of the taking of large amount of energy during its metallurgy, metals are formed, and these metals are unstable, or we can say have less stability. Therefore it forms ore, or it forms oxide, sulfide or various compounds. The metals thus obtained when exposed to the natural environment will have a tendency to go to their stable lower energy state whenever an opportunity arises. So thereby oxygen or various gases attacks on the metal present in the environment to form metal oxide or metal sulfide or various compounds of metals which will be having lower energy state. Here we talked about the introductory part. In the next part we will see what are the types of corrosion, and we will understand how this corrosion takes place. Happy learning. Thank you.